So we're gonna have a toasted bread with avocado. Meron tayo ditong bread. So mga ganito lang siya. Then, hiwa natin. Tara! Then, lagyan natin ng butter. Lagyan lang tayo ng butter. Then, i-air fry natin. Toasted bread with avocado and bagel seasoning. Simple breakfast lang siya. Light sa tummy. Ayan. There you go. Air fryer natin siya. Like 5 minutes. This is my daily morning routine pag walang work. Breakfast. Making breakfast. Naglalagay ako ng oat milk. Fiber. Ayan. Ito yung ating avocado. Tingnan natin kung maganda siya. Hopefully. Tara. Oy, pwede. Love it. Ayan siya. Ano to? Sweet yung ating grapes. This is a pecan. Ano ka lang konting nuts. Diyan. Yan ang 3 cheese. Hindi ako made for cheese. Ito tayo ng 3. Ayan. 3 cheese. Ito yung ating toasted bread. So, maglagay tayo ng avocado. Tapos, smash lang natin yan. Ganun lang yan kasimple. That's avocado spread. And then, lagyan natin ng bagel seasoning. Ayan siya. Then, another one. Lagay tayo ng isa pa. Ayan. Ay! Mash naman natin siya ulit. Ayan. Ano na siya kadali. Gusto mo ng sandwich, easy sandwich, and healthy sandwich. Ayan siya. Then again, another bagel seasoning. Ayan. Tara! Kain tayo, guys. Oh, perfect breakfast. Yan siya. Ito na yung ating breakfast. Avocado sandwich, avocado spread with bagel seasoning, cheese, pecan, and grapes. And of course, I have a coffee. That's it, guys. Sarap. Si ratatouille, kinukumba niya yung cheese and grapes. Sarap. Sarap ng combination ng grapes and cheese.